All right, so this is one of those problems that I think should be very, very quick. And so I'll show you the very rapid way that you can do this, and then I'll explain it afterwards. So we're looking at this, right? We should always immediately think of the equation that we're dealing with, right? Pressure, P equals rho GH, and we see that we've got rho here, G here, and H here, and G is 9.8, so we can, if we're multiplying by 1,000 then by 10, we can just add these zeros, right? So 9.8 multiplied by 1,000 is 1, 2, 3, and then multiplied by 10 is another 0, right? So there we go. Now we're at 98,000. And so correct answer here is going to be B, 98,000 pascals, right? I think a fairly straightforward problem, not a difficult problem. And so again, the equation, so let me go back and explain a little bit, right? So the equation, of course, for hydrostatic pressure is this, and we multiply it by the density of the fluid we're dealing with, which in this case we are given at kilograms per meter cubed, and this is already in SI units, right? Kilograms are SI, so we know that when we're dealing with pascals, pascals are SI, so as long as everything else is in SI, the answer should be in pascals, right? G is 9.8, and G, of course, is this number in this. Essentially, it's telling us the weight of the water. So this equation really just helps us to calculate the weight of the water above a certain surface. And then, of course, H. H is the height, really technically the height of the fluid above the object, or which is identical to the depth of the object in the fluid. And so again, a fairly straightforward type of a problem, not too difficult. So the correct answer here is going to be B. This is one of those problems that really should take you like 20, 30 seconds on the test, and should give you enough time to really take more time on some of the other problems. And so again, an easy problem, but one that we want to make sure that we know how to do to be able to get points and save time.